Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the Samsung Galaxy F13. For that we will need the buttons for. So the power button and the volume down button. If you press these both buttons now for the same time, just for short, then you are having a screenshot. After you have here the chance to edit the screenshot or share it directly with WhatsApp, Telegram and so on. So one more time, the power button and the volume down button just for short together and you are having a screenshot. After, if you tap then on the editing symbol, you're able now to edit the screenshot. Now you can draw something inside or highlight something if you want. And if you tap here on the corners, you're able also to crop just a part of the screenshot. What is very useful if you want to capture a picture from a website or something like this, or someone's status and so on. So now after you can share this edited part here, or with arrow you can save it directly to your gallery. In the gallery, where are your pictures? Of course at the gallery. And here the pictures, they are mixed up with the photos and so on. And I would recommend to you to go always to the category albums, because the screenshots have here their own folder just for your screenshots. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And you've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support. And maybe until next time. Ciao.